Yeah, I can confirm the webcast has started.
Thank you, Marie. All right, welcome everyone. I don't believe we've got any deputations today, Marie.
No, that's correct.
Right, so if we go straight to the Basingstoke and Dean Borough Council Social Inclusion Grant, Sarah.
Hi, thank you. So this is a request to award a grant to Basingstoke and Dean Borough Council to enable them to give their providers of homelessness support service the same level of financial support during the pandemic as the County Council has given our directly commissioned providers. So these are the homelessness support services that the County Council funds to support homeless people with complex needs, including those in hostels, rough sleepers, and rough sleepers placed in temporary accommodation, people sleeping rough. The County Council commissions these services directly in all areas apart from Basingstoke and Dean. We give a grant to Basingstoke and Dean for them to commission their own services. And we already made COVID support payments to our directly commissioned providers. So this is basically the award of this grant will ensure that the Basingstoke and Dean are able to give the same financial support to their providers of services. So that's a very brief summary. Hopefully that.
No, that's lovely. Thank you, Sarah. Dave, you're happy about giving them this money because actually.
Yes, this is consistent with the approach taken for all of the other services across the county. So yes, absolutely.
Fine, thank you. Councillor Huxted.
Yes, Madam Chairman, can you hear me? I hope you can. Right, I was present at the briefing for this, the executive members briefing, and I'm entirely happy with the recommendations.
Super, thank you. Councillor Keast?
Totally supportive.
Right. Graham, do you want to say anything, or are you happy just for us to go to the recommendations and approve them? Or for me to approve them?
So happy for you to move to those recommendations. Thank you, Councillor Fairhurst.
Right, I'm more than happy to accept the recommendations, and thank you, Sarah.
Thank you.
Right. Let's go. It's Peter, is it, for the next one? The Demand Management and Prevention Grants. Hi, Peter.
Hello. Yes, so we have free demand management prevention grants. So aware of the demand management prevention programme, which will build on people's strengths, enabling them to improve their health with taking more personal responsibility, looking after themselves with support of their family, friends and community network. We have 3 grants today. 2 is part of our Local Solutions Grant Fund, one of which is to Winchester Go LD, a grant totaling £10,000 for 24 months, which is part of our, which will provide a education programme for those around the Winchester district with learning disabilities to enable them to increase their independence. We also, as part of the Local Solutions Grant, have a grant to MHA, which was previously the Methodist Homes Association in the Eastleigh area, for 12 months for a grant of 4,700 towards a programme which will increase. It's a virtual book route, but it's really about increasing digital skills to those who don't have them, to enable them to engage in with decreased loneliness, as well as increase their ability to connect in other ways digitally. And thirdly, we have a grant of £15,000 for a 6 month period from the 1st of October to Unity, which was previously Thames Valley Community Association. This is, we have previously given a grant to this organisation for a connector service, and it has been delivering very well, and it's formed very much part of the local resource centre in terms of their COVID response in Test Valley. As a response, we're looking to award a further grant of £15,000 to support this work over the winter period. That's a very brief summary.
Super, thank you. Dave, have you got any problems with this?
None whatsoever. This is within the budget envelope.
Good, thank you. Councillor Huxted.
Thank you, Madam Chairman. Again, I was at the executive members briefing for this, and I was entirely happy with the proposal. So I have no questions, and I'm very happy with the recommendation.
Thank you. Councillor Keast.
The same. I'm happy to recommend.
Okay. Graham, do you want to say anything?
Just to repeat my earlier comment, so We met with opposition members. They were in support of the recommendations within this report.
That's super. Okay, if we go to the recommendation, I'm very pleased to be able to accept these recommendations, and thank you all very much. And I did say it wouldn't take long today, so thank you all.
Thank you.